Welcome. Infonomi is a VIVO X300, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device. So press the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and from the options you want to swipe right to power off the top slider, like so. The device will turn off, and when it does, hold the power button and volume up. This time we're going to hold it till we have Fastboot mode show up on the screen. And when it does, immediately let go of the buttons, but if it does this, start holding them again. Come on. What the hell? You know what, I'm going to let go of the power button right now and see if that solves it. Yep, it does. Okay. Now, I have recorded this plenty of times, like entering this mode, and usually it just stays here. But like you've seen, this sometimes happens. When it does, start holding these two buttons again. And it looks like the way to solve this is to let go of the power button when you see the VIVO logo. Now, in any case, once we're in this mode using volume down, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with that power button, which previously was rebooting the device. But with selected recovery mode, it will now take us to the recovery mode instead. And in that mode, once it actually shows up, on anytime, there we go. So in this mode, you can see we have the enter safe mode option right here. So just tap on this one and select OK. Now, before I do, I want to quickly tell you this message. So enter safe mode. Only system features and apps are available in safe mode. Restart your device and enter safe mode. We're going to click on OK. And this wasn't necessarily the most kind of explanatory explanation. So just to quickly go over this, safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your phone. If you have some kind of problems, you'd want to boot it into this. And the reason you might want to go into this mode when you have problems is because in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. So any app that you have installed after the setup or were even installed while you were going through the setup will not be able to function in this mode at all. So if some of them were causing you problems, by booting it into safe mode, well, they no longer can cause you any problems because they can't start. You can also see we have a safe mode marking right here, though it is cut by the rounded corners right here a little bit. And it looks like we do have some applications which do get downloaded after the setup or while I'm going through it, which is kind of odd considering I'm not even connected to network. And yet the piece of shit Netflix decided to install itself somehow. Great, without a permission or internet. But yet it's not a default applications of the system because it's disabled in this mode, as you can see. So it was downloading itself while I was doing a setup. Curious. Facebook, Temu, and Instagram and TikTok are also part of these applications. As you can see, they are now transparent. And if you try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up. Now, these applications, in a way, shouldn't even exist on this phone, considering it doesn't have internet, and yet they are here without internet somehow, but are not the default Android apps. So that's a bit odd. Some shenanigans happening right here. But in any case, to leave this mode, we're gonna press the power button and volume up. And here you want to swipe right to restart the device. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically will enter the normal mode. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.